Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Firda Mimtaza. You can call me Firda. My student number is 2310103011. I am from K1 Management. In this video, I will tell you about my experience study tour to Bali. I made this video for my final semester assignment. So let's get started. On 14 to 18 of May, I went to Bali with my teacher and friends. Actually, it was a study tour. The study tour was held when I was still in high school. It was the first time I went to Bali. My teachers, friends, and I went by bus. We left the school at 7 a.m. The trip to Bali took almost 24 hours. I really enjoyed the trip. At noon, we arrived at a local restaurant and stopped for a while to eat and breathe. After that, we continued our journey. My friend and I had fun talking about how today's trip went. Before arriving in Bali at 11 p.m., we arrived at Ketapang Harbor, Banyuwangi. Once there, we still had to wait for the bus queue to enter the ship. We queued for quite a long time, almost 4 hours. After a long queue, finally at 4 a.m. the bus entered the ship. After a long journey, we finally arrived in Bali at 4:30 in the morning. Then stopped briefly at the mosque to pray. After that, we transit first at the local restaurant. My friends and I showered and had breakfast, after which we went to our first destination. The first destination was to visit the Tanah Lot Temple. I was very enthusiastic. The place was really beautiful with a view of the beach at the temple there. My friend and I took a lot of pictures. After visiting Tanah Lot Temple, we visited Panglipuran Traditional Village. The village is famous for its clean lands. There, we were immediately warmly welcomed by the residents there. We were allowed to enter their house and see the temple they use for worship. I always take a lot of photos. After that, we visited the Barong Dance. I really liked seeing the Barong Dance performance. After the performance, we took a group photo together. After leaving the Barong Dance performance, we went to the hotel to rest. On the second day, informatics engineering majors visited Bali TV for an industrial visit. I joined the visit because I was majoring in informatics engineering. Then my friend and I rejoined the others to visit the next destination, Tanjung Benua. Arrived there was really hot, but it was paid off with its beauty. There was a spot to play banana boat. In addition, there is also a turtle breeding, but you have to take a small boat to get to the place. After that, we visited Pandawa Beach, one of the beaches that I want to visit while in Bali. It was really beautiful beach, making me mesmerized by its beauty. Again, I took a lot of pictures. The next destination was Garuda Wisnu Kencana. At Garuda Wisnu Kencana, I saw a beautiful view from a height. I also saw the huge Garuda statue and the statue of Lord Vishnu. In the afternoon, my friend and I visited Kuta Beach. I saw and enjoyed the beautiful sunset. After Kuta Beach, we went to Krishna, which is a Balinese souvenir center to buy souvenirs. After that, we went to the hotel to rest. On the last day, we went to the Pabrik Kata-Kata Jogor, which is a familiar souvenir center. After we bought some Jogor souvenirs, we went to a restaurant to eat food for the last day in Bali. After eating, we headed to Gilimanuk Harbor and then to Ketapang Harbor, Banyuwangi. After arriving in Banyuwangi, we left Bali and continued our journey home safely. While in Bali, we were guided by Blikade, who was very friendly and fun to chat with. He explained it about Bali with jokes that made us on the bus not feel bored. The study tour did make me tired, but I was very happy because I could spend a lot of time with my friends and learn many things. So it was a great experience that I will never forget. I will definitely miss this study tour moment. Okay, that's all from me. Thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.